remove adjacent characters, duplicate adjacent characters using the approach recursion. Here we take as input AMMA and output will get as AMA because MM is repeated twice and both are adjacent characters. This is the procedure we will use, and finally we'll get the AMA. And the code snippet is like this. Here we write the code snippet using Java and we'll pass the input string and the from where the processing will start. This is the index and the result is showing in the store in this result variable. These are in this we are checking three conditions, whether the input is null or the input is empty, then we'll get the empty result, and the index is equal to the input length, then we'll add that index character and retrieving the result. And if that is not also satisfying, then we'll check the current index and the next index. If both are not equal, then we'll add this current index character to the result, and we'll call this same method with the increment of the pointer 1. Like this it will go through this function up to end of the string. At the once the pointer reaches the end of the string, it will return the characters without duplicate adjacent characters. Okay, now we will go to the explanation. Here I take as input amma and the length of the character is 4, and in array in Java the index start from 0 0 1 2 3, and for this we need to identify the adjacent duplicate characters are there or not. For that what we are doing is we will start one index 0 and another index start plus 1, that means 0 and 1. In the 0th index we have a letter, and in the 1 index we have m letter. These two are not equal, then we'll add the result to a, and we'll increment the start 1 and the start plus 1 1, then the index start index is 1 pointing to 1 and start plus 1 is 2. Now these two characters are m and m. Because m and m both are same, we are result will not be changed, result will be a itself. Then we'll pass through the next iteration. In the next iteration we'll increment the start. Here the start is 1, now the start is 2 and start plus 1 is 3, 2 3. Now in the index 2 we have m and index 3 we have a. These two are not equal, then I am adding the index 3 2 to the result. Now we'll get the am. Now we'll pass to another iteration. Here the start is 3 because this is the end of the string, and we'll add this character to the result and return the result. Here we'll get the AMA. This is how we'll remove the input string. In the input string we remove the duplicate adjacent characters. Here in this input AMMA, MM is repeated twice. After executing this program we will get the AMA. Okay, now we look into this one program. Here I am passing A B B C C T D E. This is the input string, and we'll starting the processing from 0, and we are storing the result in this new string builder. Because here we are adding the character by character, we are using the string builder to append the characters easily. If we use the string, here it will take more objects, and it will be program will be slow in the long run for the more input. Okay, now when I call this method remove adjacent duplicates, in the word will get the a b b c d d e, and starting is 0 and result is empty. Okay, now we'll check this condition. In this condition word is equal to a b b c d d e. This is not equal to, this is equal to null, false. If this is false, then this statement is not will not execute, and it will come to here. Here the start is 0 and the length of this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 characters. 0 equal to 8, this is false, this is false. then this code will not be executed, and it will come to this if condition. O dot character at 0, start is 0. Here in the 0th index we have a, and here you will get the a, and the word at character at start plus 1, 0 plus 1 1. In 1 we have a and a, these are a not equal to a, this is false, right? Then this code will not be executed. Now it will come to this, I will call uh, the same method again with the same, the a b b c d d e with start plus 1. Now the start is 0 and 1 is will pass as 1, and the result we have no result, that is empty string or null as of now. Now in this, now this method will call to the same method with start as 1. Now here word is the same, word is equal to null, this is false, this line will not be executed. Now the start is 1. Now the start is pointing to the 1 index. 1 index is equal to 8, this is false, then this code will not be executed. Okay, now if you come, it will come to this code. If condition word dot character at 1, start is 1, right now. Right now the start is 1, character at 1 is a, and not equal to, word dot character at 1 plus 1 2. Here at character 2 we have 0 1 2 b, we have b, a not equal to b, true. That means it will add this character, it will add one character to the result. That character is character at start a, that is a is added to the result. Now after processing this one, we have the result in the string builder, we have a character, and remove adjacent. Now we'll call again this same method with the same word, and the start is, now the start index is 2. Again now, again it will come to here, this method will call this method, and this word is a b b c d d e, and int is 2, start is 2. Now word equal to null, this is false, this code will not be executed. Start is equal to 2, now the start is equal to 2, start equal to 8, this is false, that means this code will not be executed. Okay, after that if word at character at 2, now the start is index is 2, that means here 0 1 2, that is b not equal to character at 3, 3 is also b not equal to b, that means false. False means this code will not be executed. Currently we have result as a. Now it will execute this method with start index as 3, same input, and the output is result. In the result we have a character. Okay, and the start index is 3. Now it will come here in the, it will come here in this a b b c d d e, and the start index is 3, and the result we have a. Now word equal to null, this is false, this code will not be executed. Start equal to 3, and 3 equal to 8, this is false, that means this code will not be executed. And it will come here word at character at 3, in character 3 we have 0 1 2 3. Now we have b, and at character 4 we have c, at index 4 we have c. Now the character b not equal to c, this is true, that means we are adding word dot character at start, character start 3, index 3 we have b character, that will be add to the result. Now a b will come, and it will, now again once this code is completed, we'll call this same method again with the index 4. Like this, it will come. Same method will call again. And word equal to null, this is false, this will not execute. And start index is equal to 4, 4 equal to 8, this is false. 4 equal to 8, this is false. This code will not be executed. This code will not be executed. Now it will come to the here. This start is 4 and the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the fourth character is C and not equal to the fifth character is D. C not equal to D. This is true. Then the result will be updated as ABC. Now we'll call this method with the start index is 5. With the start index is 5 and with the result is ABC. Okay. Now we will call to the same method. This is word is equal to null. This is false. This will not execute. And the start is 5. Now 5 equal to 8. This is false. This code will not be executed. This code will not be executed. Now it will come here. Word at character at 5. Now in character 5 we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 we have D and 6 also we have as character D. Okay, this is D not equal to D. This is false. That means this code will not be executed. Now we'll call again this the same method with the index now. With the index is 6. With the index is 6. With the same and the result is ABC. ABC is result is ABC. Now it will come to the here. This condition is false. Now here 6 equal to 8. This is false. That means this code will not be executed. Now it will come to the here and it will check this character at 6. Character 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Character 6 is D. D not equal to E. That means this is true. That means we'll add it the D to the result. Now the result is ABCD. Now we'll call this the same method with the character as 7. Now will start as 7 and the result will be the ABCD. ABCD. Now it will come here. This is equal to null. This is false. This code will not be executed. Now it will come here and equal to 7 equal to word length is 8 minus 1. That means will 7 equal to 7. This is true. Okay. And now it will add the result. We have the result ABCD. The character at start is E. Now it will now the result will be the ABCDE. Okay. Now after that this line is completed, it will return the result. The result is ABCDE. In this result, we don't have any duplicate characters, adjacent duplicate characters. This is the final output. This method will return the output to here and will print here. Now we will check the method whether this is returning correct or not. Now I am executing the test case with the input AA, BBC, DDE. Using the recursion method, I am trying to remove the adjacent duplicate characters. Now the program is running. We will check the output. See ABCDE. Will get the output with the distinct characters. This concludes our program is working as expected. Okay, this is how we will remove the adjacent to duplicate characters in a particular string. This concludes our discussion. Thank you very much. Please comment for the next topic. Thank you.